there! At doTERRA, we get that you want to be in control of your health, but we know how crazy it can be to try to find the exact right products, pick out the perfect essential oils, and put together the ideal health regimen for you and your family. All that takes enormous amounts of time and energy. Look, we believe that finding natural solutions should be simple and convenient. And that's why we've created the wellness programs. We got together with our experts, doctors, scientists, researchers, and created these specially designed subscription box-style health programs for you. The wellness programs are a simple, almost effortless way for you to target a specific health goal and get the exact products you need for what you want to achieve. We remove the hassle of figuring out which essential oils and products to use. There's no need to repeat the same pattern of scrambling to put together the perfect oil regimen yourself when you can just sign up for a wellness program. Here's how it works in 3 easy steps. Number 1, choose your program. 2, use your products. And 3, own your health. It's really that simple. With the wellness programs, you get targeted wellness delivered right to your door. Now, let's dive a little deeper into the specifics. When you sign up for a wellness program, you'll first pick which health category is most urgent and important to you: immunity, relief, or mind and mood. From there, you'll receive a special kit each month for 3 months that's filled with products tailored to your health goal. Now, these kits put all the foundational products you need in one place. It really is so easy. Not only that, but you'll also receive detailed recommendations of ways you can use these amazing products to get the results you're looking for. All the best products in the world can't help you if you don't actually use them. So what are you waiting for? Wellness is just a click away.